Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I am about to take all of this makeup off, so let's begin. I'm starting off by taking off my lashes and putting them back into the case that they came in so I can use them again on another day. And now it's time to remove my makeup with the Tatcha Pure One Step Camila Cleansing Oil. This does a great job at removing my makeup, even waterproof makeup and glitter. It emulsifies completely and leaves no oily residue and leaves my skin feeling clean and moisturized. I begin with dry hands and a dry face, and depending on how much makeup I'm wearing, I usually use 1 to 3 pumps and massage it into my skin in circular motions, and then rinse with warm water, and then voila, fresh clean face. I'm a huge fan of the double cleanse routine, so I will be using the Tatcha the Deep Cleanse as my second step of the double cleanse. This ensures that all of my makeup and residue from the day is completely removed. I love this cleanser because it has a gel texture with natural fruit exfoliants that gently lifts impurities and unclogs my pores. It also leaves my skin feeling squeaky clean, plumped, and hydrated. I usually start with a small amount of product and use my FOREO Luna Fofo to gently massage my face, avoiding the eye area. Then I rinse with warm water and do a final rinse with cold water to close my pores. Now my skin feels tight and ready to be toned. I love using my Missha Cotton pads because I can tear them into thin layers and use them like a sheet mask. One of my current favorite toners is the Missha Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence. This is my second bottle, and that's when you know that you really love a product. This has concentrated 80% fermented yeast extract, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to moisturize and replenish the skin. I like to leave the cotton pads on like a sheet mask for a couple of minutes, then use the remaining product to apply it all over my face and neck. Before moving on to applying the rest of my face products, I like to apply my eye serum and eye cream first. I've been loving the Innisfree Jeju Lava Seawater Eye Serum. I bought this while I was in South Korea, and I'm so sad I didn't stock up and buy more. I love the cooling applicator. It does a great job at deep puffing my eyes, and this serum is just so hydrating. I've also been loving the Innisfree Jeju Orchid Eye Cream, which I also bought while in South Korea, and again, I'm so sad I did not stock up. It just gives me another reason to go back, and hopefully soon. I like to apply a small amount with my ring fingers by gently patting around the eye area, and it's super moisturizing and contains antioxidants to help prevent skin aging. Now it's time to move on to my face products. I like applying my skincare from thinnest consistency to thickest. So the next step is serum, and currently I've been using the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I usually apply 2 to 4 drops and pat it gently on my face and neck, avoiding the eye area. This intensely hydrates and leaves my skin feeling smooth and hydrated. It also contains great anti-aging properties as well. Since I have dry skin, at night I like to use a thick cream so my skin can drink up the moisture while I sleep. Lately I've been using the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer, and what I love the most about this product is the packaging. I love that the product comes out when you press on the top. On a day where I'm feeling super dry, I apply a full pump, but on a normal day, I apply half a pump. This is a rich cream and it's deeply hydrating without feeling heavy or sticky. I like gently patting this on my face and neck, avoiding my eye area. Now you can stop here, but I'm going to be extra today and add some mask into my routine. I try doing a variation of mask at least 2 times a week, if not more. For my under eyes, I love using the Tarte Pack Your Bags 911 Under Eye Rescue Patches. I like to stick them in my skincare fridge so they're nice and cool when I apply them. I usually leave them on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And next, I'm using the Etude House Cherry Jelly Lip Patch, which I also keep in my skincare fridge. I love the cooling effect, and it makes my lips more plumped and hydrated. I also leave these on for 10 to 15 minutes. Neck cream is a step that I've recently added to my skincare routine since my South Korea trip. I've been loving the Innisfree Soybean Energy Neck Cream, so today I'll be applying a small amount to my neck. I love how hydrating it is without being sticky or uncomfortable. My current favorite mask to use is the Celderma Double Layering Mask. Maybe I'm biased because I love Song Ji-hyo, the beautiful model slash actress you see here. But overall, I've been really liking this because it gives me a face lift. It reduces my double chin, and I really like that. And so I usually leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah, I believe that it's been working wonders. After removing my lip mask, I like to apply my Laniege Lip Sleeping Mask and leave it on overnight to deeply nourish my lips. Seriously, my lips have never felt so soft. The last step is to mist my face, and today I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. As stated in the name, it has an ultra fine mist, which I love. I also love how hydrating it is, as well as the refreshing scent of watermelon. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below, as well as any video requests or videos you guys would like to see me do next. I haven't done an outro in so long, but I believe that is it. So I hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!